Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to apply SUMIF function in Excel. Before starting the video tutorial, you must know about the SUMIF function. The SUMIF function says that value in a range are added according to criteria. It also shows the criteria applies to one range and the corresponding values are added in another range. So now start our video tutorial. So we will learn from the equation. Here we are salaries and commission. First we use simple formula to calculate the sum of salaries in a range according to criteria, and we say that we count on only that salaries which are more than 30,000. So here we enter the formula. So here we enter the formula. Simple. We start with equal sign and then bracket open and then SUMIF and bracket open. Now we select the range and here we need a criteria. And we say that sum of salaries is more than 30,000. And now close the bracket. So the values in a range are more than 30,000, then add the values and we get the result 250,000. And for commission and savings more than 30,000, again double click here and enter the formula. SUMIF bracket open. Now select the range, enter the criteria, greater than 30,000, and now we add some range, that is comma and enter the range. Now hit enter, bracket close and hit enter. So we get the result. Any value of salary that are greater than 30,000, add the commission 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and 10,000 is equal to 23,000. And in the first formula, add the salaries which are greater than 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 70,000 and 90,000 equal to 250,000. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.